my YouTube channel. Simple and easiest recipe by Mrs.Kamran. Let's make chicken karahi in my style. Don't forget to like, share, comment and subscribe my YouTube channel. So let's start the recipe with the name of Allah. Bismillahir-Rahmanir-Rahim. Heat oil in a karahi, wok. Add chicken and saute on high flame. Fry until it turns white and starts to dot brown slightly, about 8 to 10 minutes. Add ginger garlic paste and fry until raw smell is gone. Add 1 tsp green chili paste and saute few seconds. Add sliced cut tomatoes and mix it well. Spices salt, coriander powder, red chili powder, crushed chili, turmeric, according to our taste. Cook uncovered on medium flame until tomatoes break down and oil separates. In this stage, add Garam masala powder. This takes 15-20 minutes maximum. Lower the flame. Add whisked yogurt and cook for another 10 to 12 minutes until well combined and masala thickens. Final touches. Add green chili and cumin powder and mix well. Cook on high flame for 2 to 3 minutes until oil dot separates again. Turn off the heat. Garnish with julienned ginger, green chilies and some dry fenugreek. Our delicious and very easy restaurant style chicken karahi ready. Thanks for watching. I just hope you like it. So PLZ subscribe my YouTube channel for more yummiest and easiest recipe.